Doing comedy kasi parang this is your first time doing comedy ba?
Not my first time doing comedy, but this is my first time na doing more physical comedy, more slapstick.
And without Alexa,
Yeah.
how was it doing a project without Alexa?
It was good naman
I have
kasi
some
she was very supportive.
Yeah.
And naiintindihan niya na kailangan ko din ng mga projects on my resume na wala siya para mas matibay yung
She's one of the early birds tonight. Supporting you.
Yeah. Very supportive.
Siyempre, hinatid ko siya eh. I was with her, so yeah, she did kami on her own. Yeah, so nag-drive kami pumunta dito.
You were doing this ba at the same time sa Walang Aray? Or...
No, this was before Walang Aray. So medyo matagal tong project na po ito.
So,